WeWeb versus Toddle, comprehensive comparison for no-code web development. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into two prominent no-code web development platforms, WeWeb and Toddle. We'll explore their features, strengths, and potential drawbacks to help you determine which platform aligns best with your project needs. Let's get started. WeWeb. It is best for flexible front-end development with seamless integrations. First, intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Build visually stunning front ends without touching code. Robust API integrations. Connect with backend services like Xano, Airtable, or custom APIs. Third, it has a custom code expert. Allows you to export clean code for advanced customization. With responsive design tools, which build mobile-friendly apps with ease. But it is higher pricing tiers. Can be expensive for solo developers and small teams. Learning curve for advanced features. Requires time to master workflows and integrations. But it is best for developers and entrepreneurs looking for high flexible front-end builder with strong API integrations and code export options. Toddle, best for component-based design and reusable AI elements. First is component-based architecture. Create reusable UI elements for faster development. Second is performance optimized, fast and efficient, even with complex application. Third, clean minimalist interface, easy to navigate with a strong focus on user experience. Fourth is cost-effective pricing, great for startups and solo builders. Cons is that it is limited templates, fewer pre-built design templates compared to competitors. Requires some coding knowledge. Full customization may require light coding, but it is best for creators who want a modular, performance-optimized platform that are comfortable using some code to unlock full customization. Let's jump into the final verdict. Use WeWeb if you need a flexible front-end builder that easily integrates with various backend services and allow code export for advanced customization. On the other hand, use Toddle if you're focused on creating modular, component-driven web apps and a cost-effective tool with performance optimization at its core. Now, which platform are you leaning towards for your next project? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope this breakdown helped you figure out whether WeWeb or Toddle is better for feature needs. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more no-code and web development tips. See you into the next one.